During 2003, the production of a factory decreased by 25%, but during 2004, the production increased by 40% of what it was at the beginning of 2004. Okay, calculate the resulting change, whether it is increased or decreased in the production during these 2 years. Here the production we don't know. Okay, we can consider it as either x or we can consider it as a 100 here, and both method I'm going to tell here. Okay, so if I consider 100 or x, from that first we need to decrease by 25%, and whatever the production we will get from this after decreasing, from that we have to increase by 40%. Okay, because that's what it has been said, that what it was at the beginning of the 2004. Beginning of the 2004 means the production it was earlier, that was x or 100, and during the 2003 it has decreased by 25%, and whatever the right now it is there, no, that is what beginning of the 2004. Again from that we need to increase by 40%, and finally we have to compare with the initial production with the after increased by 40%. Okay, comparing this we have to tell whether it has increased or decreased. Okay, in these 2 years here. So first I have considered as 100 here. Okay, now during the 2003 it has decreased by how much? Decrease means what we need to do? We need to subtract 25% of what was the production, that is 100. So how we are going to write? Right now the production is how much? That is 100, and we have to, as I told you, it has decreased, that is 25% of 100 here. Now for the next step, 100 minus 25 over 100, replaced by multiplication sign, and 100 get cancels. 100 minus 25, that is how much? 75. And this is right now the production I'm having, that is 75. This is what beginning of the 2004. Okay, now during the 2004, right now the production is how much? That is 75%. Now it has been increased. Increase means we have to add by how much? It has increased by 40% of how much it is their production, that is 75 here. Okay, now in the next step, 75 plus 40 over 100 multiply 75 here. Okay, now this 10 get cancels. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Here 5 1s are 2 left, 5 5s are 25. Now 75 plus 15 times 2 is 30. 5 7 8 9 10. So we right now the production I'm having 105. At the beginning of the 2003 we had 100, and after decreased or after increase we have production 105. So now we need to compare this. Okay, so to compare whether it is increased or decreased, obviously it has increased, right? So 105 minus 100 will be getting, that is 5 here. Now we need to compare now we have to tell in the result in a percentage here. To tell the answer in percentage here, what we found the difference? We found that is 5, and what was at the beginning? It was 100 multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. 100 get cancelled, so we'll be getting, that is 5. So I'm going to write the sentence here, that is, therefore production has increased by 5% here. Now in the second method I'm going to consider it as let the production be x here. Okay, the same method whatever I applied here for the 100, the same method we are going to apply here. Okay, now during the 2003 what happened? It has decreased by how much? That is 25% of, and the production we have considered as a x here. Okay, x minus 25 over 100 multiply x here. Now 25 ones are 25 fours, so we got that is x minus 1. I can just write 1 into x, that is x by 4 here. Nothing it is there, let me place 1 here. 1 and 4's LCM will be getting, that is 4 here. 1 4's are 4 1's. Okay, here 4x minus x, after subtraction I'll be getting, that is how much? 3x minus 4. And now this is what? This is beginning of the 2004 here. Okay, now we need to calculate for the during the 2004. So right now I'm having the production, that is 3x minus 4, and it has increased by how much? 40% of. Now what is the production right now I'm having? That is 3x over 4. Now 3x over 4 plus here 40 over 100 multiply 3x by 4. Okay, now look at this. This 10 get cancelled. Okay, this 4 get cancelled. We left with the 3x minus 4, and here it is plus 3x over 10. 4 and 10's LCM we need to take. Okay, 4, 10. Let me start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 1s are, okay, and here let me take 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So we got the LCM, that is 20, and here 4 5s are 20, 10 2s are 4 5s are 20, 10 2s are 20. Here 3 into 5 15 x plus 3 2s are x. Okay, now here I need to add. After addition I'll be getting this is as a 21x over 20. See here, at the initial we had x, and now final we are having 21x over 20. Now we need to compare whether it has increased or decreased. So I'm going to do the cross multiplication. Here I'll be getting 20x. Okay, here it is 21x. So from this we can say that it has increased. Okay, now by how much it has increased? For that, what we need to do, we need to subtract x from the 21x over 20 here. Okay, so I'm going to do subtraction. 21x over 20. From this I'm subtracting x. Nothing it is there. Let me place 1, and 1 and 20's LCM will be getting, that is 20. 21's are here, 1 20's are 21x minus here 20x. Okay, after subtraction I'll be getting it as a x over 20. Now we need to calculate for the percentage. Okay, now the difference between this we found, that is x by 20, and what we have considered at the initial, that was the x here, and multiply by 100 here. Okay, now x by 20, nothing it is there. Let me place 1 here. Let me do the reciprocal. So 1 goes to the numerator, x comes to the denominator, multiply 100. Now this x cancels, 1 0 1 0, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So we got 5. So here also I am going to write the same sentence, that is production how much? 5%.